Drug maker Moderna is in active discussions with China about supplying COVID-19 vaccines. The nation has so far not allowed the domestic use of foreign vaccines. Moderna chief executive Stéphane Bancel says he wants to have factories making mRNA vaccines on every continent. China last year asked the firm to hand over intellectual property behind its coronavirus vaccine as a prerequisite for selling it in the country, but the company refused. Meanwhile, China has vowed that funding issues will not stand in the way of treatment for COVID-19. The Finance Ministry is directing local governments to transfer more money to rural areas so they can get the much-needed medical equipment. And millions of workers are returning home for the Lunar New Year holidays. Concerns are the countryside will be overwhelmed by rising infections. So to prevent such a fallout, authorities want to better coordinate first aid resources to make sure patients with severe symptoms can be treated quickly. Some towns are being set up with oxygenators. Medical vehicles are also deployed to high-risk places. Coronavirus infections are sweeping across China after it dropped the zero-COVID policy last month. In Jilin province, more than 7,000 teams of family doctors have been deployed to monitor the health of elderly folk over 65 years old. The region is also checking stocks of drugs and keeping track of demand every day.
所有医疗网点数量近万家，通过这个平台，准确掌握各基层单位的药品消耗需求，及时督促各地补充补足，最大限度保障群众健康。